channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Nicole and this is The Simplistic Home, and here on my channel I share all things simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting. And today's video is another thrift with me. So as you guys know, I typically film a thrift with me at least once a week, but I've kind of gotten off track a little bit and I haven't had one out in quite some time. So I've been doing a lot of decorating and whatnot here on my channel. I just recently uploaded a summer home tour, so be sure to check that video out, and some other summer decorating videos this season. So if you're interested in that, I will have a playlist linked down below that is titled Summer 2022. So anyway, we have that going on, and like I said, today we're going thrifting. So if you are new here to my channel, I do work at a local thrift store, and once a week I go in here, I share all of my favorite finds over here on YouTube and then also on Instagram as well. So be sure to check me out over there. It's just at The Simplistic Home. And then at the end of the day, I will go through all the things that I picked out and I will style them in a little section that is dedicated to The Simplistic Home. So it's pretty cool, and I know a lot of you guys that have been following along for a while really enjoy these types of videos. So that's what we are doing today. And then after today's video, I think we're going to be diving into all things fall. So I do have a fall shop with me coming up this week. If I don't upload it this week, it'll be the very first video for next week. So I'm looking forward to that. That one's actually a collaboration. So I'm super excited about that. And then, oh, I also have some very exciting news to share. I almost forgot to share over here. So I did share on Instagram like a week or two ago, but I haven't shared on YouTube. So the big news is we are expecting baby number 3. So we found out middle of June that we are having another one. So if you guys didn't know already, we do have 2 boys. So my son Jack is 4, and then we have Barrett as well. He will be 2 in September. So like I said, we found out June 17th that we are expecting a number 3. So I am due February of 2023. So we don't know what we're having yet. We actually find out mid-August. So we are super excited about that, but we are just really excited to complete our family. We've talked about having 3 kids ever since we've, got together. Today, we might be checking out some baby stuff too. We will see. Like I said, we don't know what we're having yet, but I'm just so excited. I almost forgot to share over here because I shared over on Instagram, and in my mind, I just assume everyone follows me over there, but I know they don't. So anyway, yeah, big life update, but we're looking forward to it. So anyways, now that is out and the news has been shared, we're gonna go ahead inside to the thrift store, see what we can find today. And if I do end up finding anything today, I will of course share a haul like I normally do. So anyway, let's go ahead and get inside. So one of the first sections that I wanted to share with you guys was the furniture section. So on this particular day, they did have quite a few pieces, from desks to dressers and a little bit of everything in between. And I do want to mention, if you are in the mood for a DIY project or refurnishing a home, or maybe just a small space in your home like a room or a corner nook or something along those lines, definitely check out the thrift store to see the types of furniture that you can find. I know for me personally, a lot of my favorite pieces in my home that are furniture related and home decor, of course, but mainly furniture, are thrifted, so you just never know what you're going to find. And also this day I did find some really pretty neutral pieces. So I found this wooden sugar mold. There was also some greenery that I came across as well. And then I also ended up finding some neutral placemats. So an idea that you can use for placemats if you don't have enough for your table or something along those lines, you can definitely use them as part of a basket wall, like a wall collage, if you will. So sometimes I will find placemats that I think are really, really pretty, but I need more than 2 or 4 or whatever the case may be. And yeah, so I thought, you know what, it would be a good idea to place these up on the wall and use them for a basket wall. But like I said, there was just several great neutral pieces this day, and I was really happy with what I found. this thrifting trip, I did find some really good pieces. These were some of my favorites from this day. So I found some baskets that were like brand new. I found some little holders that you put candles in. They were still new with tags, some floral arrangements, and just a little bit of everything. But like I said, you really need to check out the thrift stores if you are wanting to incorporate budget-friendly home decor into your home. I know checking thrift stores is one of my absolute favorite things to do. This is always my go-to before I go to any retail store. So just wanted to let you guys know, definitely check out the thrift stores because you never know what you'll find. So like I said at the beginning of this video, whenever I go thrifting at Renew, I do end up taking all of these pieces that I share with you guys, and then I ended up staging them in a little section just to give some inspiration on how you can use these pieces in your home, and just to give you some ideas on how you can decorate with them and just different ways to style them. So anyway, this is how it turned out this particular day. I do love to incorporate greenery, and also if I have throw blankets or baskets or anything along those lines, I just think that they make a home look really cozy and add some inviting elements to a home. So I also look for shoes and clothes as well whenever I go, and I had really good luck this day as well. Alright you guys, so I made it out of the thrift store, and then after I went to the thrift store, I ended up going into Target because I was looking for a specific item. Last week I found it on clearance for like 10 bucks, and today when I went, I found it for $6. There were some really pretty pillows that I was wanting to incorporate into my fall decor this year, and last week they were on clearance for $10. Today I went in to see if they were here, and they were on clearance for $6. So I'll give you a little sneak peek of what they look like, but they're just these really pretty plaid, but it's perfect for fall. So $6. And then I also ended up finding a really pretty clock for my wall. It has like a really awesome leather strap on the top. I know you guys can't see, but anyway, I'll have all of this in like a fall home decor haul at some point in the next few weeks. So anyway, I found that clock. It was originally $30, and I had that marked down for $9. And then as you can see right here, I did end up thrifting something. I didn't show it in this clip today, but I ended up finding a huge, beautiful centerpiece for my dining room table, and I only spent $9 on it, and it looks brand new in like mint condition. So I'll try to show you a little clip. It's like a whole shebang. So pretty. So fall home decor haul coming up in the near future. And then aside from that, the only other thing that I thrifted today was this really cute little like muslin swaddle. It's like a ivory and like a really pretty light sage green color, so gender neutral. Like I said earlier in today's video, we don't know what we're having yet, but we find out next month. But I got this for like $2, and it's brand new. It's the Cloud Island brand from Target. And then I did end up grabbing one of those clear coffee mugs because I've been on the hunt for one of those for a while. But anyway, I think I'm going to go ahead and end today's video here. I know this one was kind of short and sweet, but I'm really looking forward to all things fall. So the next video after this one will be my first fall shop with me for the season. So I'm super pumped. I'm going to Hobby Lobby with my friend Kaylin. So we try to film that video like once a year. It seems like we go to Hobby Lobby together and do that. So that video will be the next one after this, and then it's probably going to be all things fall. I will be doing fall thrift with me's, fall home decor hauls, fall decorate with me, shop with me's, all of that fun stuff. Also, as far as fall shop with me's, I'm definitely going to be doing the thrift stores 100%. But let me know if there's any other stores that you would like to see like shopping with me, and I'll just show you like my favorite items and things along those lines. So let me know it in the comments, but I so appreciate you. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy all things simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are new here to my channel. I would so appreciate you sticking around. Like I said, I have all types of fall content coming up, and I just share videos that are just really fun and budget friendly. I love to stick with affordable decorating and things like that, and just show you guys what you can truly find and how you can decorate while thrifting and shopping, clearance, and all of that. So anyway, if all that sounds good to you, like I said, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, that way you're notified every time I post, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.